Hey Sherry 4x4, Mike Sherry here. Today, behind me is a like new 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, and it's unlimited. Now Rubicon is the top trim level for the Wrangler, and this Wrangler has got some nice upfits on it. Just recently traded in, and I'm always a little skeptical on these pre-owned lifted vehicles because a lot of them just don't ride good. They weren't put together properly. This one, they spared no expense. It rides just as good as a professionally converted factory, what I would like to call factory, like a Rocky Ridge or SCA Performance Wrangler. But this has got some cool and not cheap stuff on it. So let's go ahead and get started here, and we'll start the review. It does have the vented hood here, and this isn't actually vented hood. The factory hood that looks like it's vented is just what I would call simulated vented. It's just for looks. It doesn't actually vent. This will actually vent engine heat out of that engine compartment. So that's been an upgrade. Also, it's got this Poison Spider stubby bumper with a Smitty built rope winch in here. All that really looks good. Has built-in tow hooks, LED lighting in it. And then as we get down in here into the suspension system here, so it's got Teraflex coil springs there, and then it's got your Falcon shocks, and these shocks are adjustable. You can see the adjustable knob here, and it's got the oil reservoir there. So a nice shock system here that's adjustable. Notice the skid plate there on your front diff. Then we got in the Teraflex there as well. So again, all really nice stuff. The wheels on this are 17-inch wheels, so more of an off-road type wheel here, where you get the smaller wheel, which gives you more tire tread on the sidewall. These are 35-inch Mickey Thompson's Baja Boss, nice tires, KMC wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, of course. A lot of tread left on the tires, no abuse there. This vehicle has under 20,000 miles, so. It does have steps on it. There are double as your rock rails here. So nice, looks like steel. And they're going to protect the rocker panel underneath the doors. Of course, leather seats in this. Has the Jeep rubber mat. Also has your sound bar up top there. This does have the hard top. It's a 3-piece hard top. See your Falcon shock back here, oil reservoir. There's your adjuster right there, the little red thing. Also has a steel bumper on the rear, so the bumper's been replaced. Has your upgraded Teraflex rear door mount here that allows for the bigger tire to fit on here. They repositioned the third brake light. Also has your backup camera in there. And that allows that to happen, the door to open. So you can't do that without that upgraded door mount for the spare tire. Looks like it has the bag here for your 2 T-tops, which is nice. In the bumper, it's still got your factory wiring. Looks like it still has factory backup sensors, which is cool, and has your 2-inch towing receiver. Outside on this looks impeccable. If they took it off-road, they missed every tree that could scratch it, things like that. It's definitely in good shape. I don't think it's been off-road. Now, financing is available on this Rubicon, so if you're interested in that, a lot of our customers are. You can actually do it right from our website. So I'll post a direct link to that down below. It has a blind spot monitoring in the mirrors there that are also defrosting and power. Of course, leather seats up here, Rubicon badging, red stitching in the seat too, looks cool. Got your rubber floor mats just like what we saw on the back. As we come in, I've got it running already. And we've got, let's see here, 19,326 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash, as you can see. Has power mirrors and locks. Steering wheel's leather wrapped. It's heated as well with hands-free connectivity, cruise control, volume control back here, and tuning control back here. The radio is the nice 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. I'm going to put it in reverse down here, and we'll check. Yeah, backup camera lights right up. Nice vibrant color backup camera. Also, you've got climate controls in here, Sirius XM as well as AM, FM. Factory navigation, heated steering wheel, heated seats, and then your HVAC and radio controls are down here if you like buttons and knobs, as well as your heated seats. Now, this being a Rubicon is going to have some special stuff on it that no other Wrangler is going to have. You can lock your front and rear differential or just the rear. Also, you can disconnect that front sway bar. That allows for that front suspension to travel more when you're off-road. You got your 4 auxiliary ports. You've got to add different lighting and things to the back. So all that is part of that Rubicon package. You still have the media center, power windows, and 12-volt power. 8-speed automatic transmission. This does have the 3.6-liter V6 in it as well. And then you've got your transfer case here. I always like to put my phone there in the Wrangler, spot for the key. Let's see here. On the key, you do have lock, unlock, keyless entry, and panic, and remote start. USB power down there. Here's your T-top, so this will come off, then the one above my head will come off as well. So, really nice Wrangler. There's no disappointments on this one. I pulled up the history report, just check for accidents, things of that sort. There has been no previous accidents. Score's really good, and I would agree with all that based on my physical evaluation. So yeah, we post that on our website if you want to check out more of that. And as always, thanks for watching our channel. If you want to see more, just subscribe, and you'll start to see some more cool stuff. So appreciate all you do. Take care. Bye-bye.